I know we all love to just complain, but maybe we should try to rearrange. There's always someone who's got it, will say you. Life is so cool. Life is so cool. Oh yeah, from a different point of view. Life is so cool. Life is so cool. Oh yeah, from a different point of view. We're all so busy trying to get ahead. Gotta do what fits when we go to bed. We're never satisfied. The grass is greener on the other side. So distracted with the jealousy. Get it in our hands and stop the